Okay. All right. So we don't have any more new students lah by now. So then after that, I will continue lah. Don't need to put up with all this. Okay. Three boys collected bottles for recycling. Give me a minute. I want to tell you about this P6. Same people do homework. Jaden, thank you for doing. Galen, yeah. Miko, Tommy, Serena, Mao, Jaden, Galen. Okay, not bad. So those who cannot, no time to do it, please, I'm going through the question now. It's next Saturday. Hey, next week I still see you all leh. Ayo, later you all never come. Okay, I repeat, next Saturday as usual, Just scary. Okay. Hey, let's go. Let's see the Okay, so three boys collected bottles for recycling. So Jill collected 2M, which 2M is half, okay, as many of what Kelsen has collected. So that means if I were to put them into column, I have Jill and I have Kelsen, all right? So Jill will have 2M, and this is half of Kelsen. That means Kelsen must have double of it. Kelsen must have 4N. Timmy, 9 more than Kelsen. So Timmy will have more than Kelsen by 9, which is 4M plus 9. So in order to add them together, you can have 2, 4, 8, 10, M plus 9. Okay, so this is 10 and 9. All right. Slide number 2. Okay. Slide number 2. A swimming club has 100 male and 50 female. So in total, there are 150, right, people. So we have male, we have female. 10% of the male, which is only 10, okay, 10 of them. We call them students, which is 10, okay? 40% of the female, okay, we call them students, and this is 40%. That will give me 0.4 times 150 equals to 60. What percentage are students? So we just need to have 10 plus, right? 10 plus 60, 40% of 50. Ayo, why like this? 50 female only, okay? So 40 times 50, that will give me 20 students. So for these 20 students I have, all right, we have, oh, this one we did, okay, then that means this is not. Okay, let me check, Stop share first. Yeah, no wonder I find it also last week already done. No wonder I have the red marks there already. So this is not. Oh, I didn't write the date. That's why lah. So sorry, so sorry. This one and sorry, this one and this one. Thank you for telling. Otherwise, I'll repeat. 35. Okay. Let me redo everything. I think this is the one. I open this. This one, this one. Okay. So there are 6 angles marked in the figure. How many of them is smaller than? So he wants smaller than a right angle. So smaller than right angle, I have here one, here one. Okay. So what I have here is 2 for this reason. Okay. What is next here? Okay, this one, right? Am I showing the correct thing? Are you seeing my share screen? Just checking. Jaden, this one correct, huh? Thank you. So I have the second option. So this one is 7p. I swap the 3p over, I minus 8. And I have 10p minus 8. And I have p is 4. So I need to do this first, huh? And I get that of the 32. And that is option C. Okay, thank you. 对了. Next question. Which of the following is likely to be the total mass of 10 20-cent coins? Of course, this is out. This is out. 700 grams is very heavy. All right. So probably B. Yes. Next question. Jerry was in school yesterday. How many hours was he in school? 8. Then we'll do this. 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. We put at 12 noon as a middle law. So this is 4 hour. This is 6 hour. So in total 10 hours. Okay. Question number 5. Okay, the pie chart shows the different genres of the DVD at a stall. 1/5 were hip hop. Okay, so I put there 1/5. 1/4 is either rock, jazz. So this one from here to here is 1/4. There will be 3 times as many rock, 3 times as jazz. So there's 3 times. Okay, so this is another information. What fraction of the DVDs were the pop one? So that means this is the one. So this is 1/4, this is this. So I need to find the fraction for all this. 1 minus this, you get 1 minus this, you should get 11 out of 20. Is in B, correct? Let me check your response. Yes, Tommy, I'll try to, okay? We try to, we should lah, huh? We should. Yes, okay. Question number 6. Arrange this from the lightest to the heavier. So you see, we have 2,304 grams. This is the one. This one will be 2,750 grams. This one is 2,340 grams. All came in 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. So the lightest one is 2,304 lah. Then the heaviest is this one. Then this is the middle one. So the lightest is 2304. Okay, lightest 2304. 2750. So the lightest one is this one, number 1. Then this one is number 3. So let's take a look. 304, 304 is correct. So this is wrong, this is wrong. So eliminates. When I have a 2 3/4, yes, this is not, this is not, this is not. So that is to say the option is A, don't have to go on anymore. Okay, yes. Okay. Okay. Question number 7. When a number, when divided by 20, you will have a quotient. Okay. And then you have a remainder of 11. Now, in order to change it to a multiple of 5 with no remainder, I must change this to 15. What is the short form in that is 4. Right now. Correct? Plus 4 ma? So that will be this one. Okay. Now, if you don't understand the question, then never mind. You put in any number. For example, I put in 1. So when this is 1 other 11, that means it's one group of 20, which is equals to 20. 20 plus 11 equals to 31. And to make it to a divisible of 5, I must have 35. So I add 4 to it. And that solves the problem. So you go and check. So this is to check. Okay? Check back. Then, okay? Then it's a multiple of 5 already. Okay? Question number 8. When you divide by 5, 1, 26, 5, 28. Then this one will be 18, sorry. 3, 6. Do you have 1536? Okay. Question. This one will be 180 angles on the what? Straight line. So 32. Can I go on? Let me check the function. Thank you, Jaden. Why only Jaden and Tommy usual ones? Let me check. Serena also, thank you. Tommy, Jaden, Serena. Ayo, I have only 3 students listening in class. Where are the rest of the response, Priya? Respond more, okay? Don't be shy. Okay, I want to see more from all. Okay. Question number 10. Don't wait for answer. I know you know. So we want to have participation. Okay. Want to form perpendicular line. Okay, I saw already. Here, here, here. I joined it to number 2. That's good. Okay. Number 11. After adding GST, that means 1.07, no? 1.07. You get $21.40. Okay.